Welcome everyone here in a very new video on our channel. Today I'm gonna present you a problem with the Volkswagen Multivan 6.1, yeah, and I'm gonna show you that how to solve this very little, very wet problem with its doors. Alright, so what's the source of the problem? You know that in these doors, or not especially the doors, specifically in the car, there are some places where you can put things like some water bottles. It was just an example, but it got very wet, so it's just very annoying to know, and these are wet. So we had a solution for that. So now let's see how to solve it out of the car. This was the place where everything was wet. Here, even some textiles there. So this was the place where the water came down. It was coming from their spot. There are some screws, and it was coming down here in that hole, and everything got wet. To get our solution, we have to climb up. There is a little screw which was very instable, so we just fix that with a screwdriver, and don't forget some tape to cover it. I recommend you to do on the other side too, because even if it's not so wet, you will probably need it, because they are both the same. So thanks for watching my video, guys, and make sure you like and subscribe, whatever else in the YouTube. So, and if you have a question, then write it on the comments. So goodbye.